Hello students and friends, welcome to my YouTube channels. Today I am going to discuss the deflection of beam problem. So what is the problems given here? A cantilever beam of length 3 meters length carries a uniformly distributed load over the entire length. If the deflections given, if the deflection at the free end is 40 mm, find the slope at the free end. So these diagrams already we drawn here. So cantilever beam is one end fixed, other end is free, and entire UDL, entire beam, you have UDL, W per unit length. So what is the boundary conditions here? We are assuming from free end x equal to 0 and cantilever fixed side assuming x equal to L. So that means if here deflections will be point A will be 0 when x equal to L. When deflections and slope also will be 0 at point A. And slope and deflections will be maximum when x equal to 0. This is the boundary conditions we are assuming in this particular our derivation. And this derivations already we did. And after deriving, we got the slope equations. What is? Small w L cube by 6i. Small w nothing but w per unit length. If we will take the total load w into L, so capital W L square by 6i. Similarly, deflections also w L square, w L power 4 ATI and capital W L cube by ATI, where capital W is equal to W into L. So once we'll solve the problem, this negative sign and all will not take, because negative signs what indicates here, deflection and slope will be the below the beam. But once we'll consider the problems, we'll not write the negative. So in this particular problem, how we'll solve? If you know the formula. If you know the formula, we can solve this problem within 3 to 4 minutes. So what is given data first we'll write here. The given length equal to 3 meter. So length equal to 3 meter. If we'll mm na 1000 multiply na, length will be 3000 meter. And uniformly distributed over the entire length. The deflections they given. What is at the free end? Free end na YB, because A and B we assume. So YB will given how much? 40 mm. This is the given. Other things not given. Sometimes moment of inertia they will give, modulus of elasticity will give, that is E and I value. If not given, how to solve? So they are asking find the slope. So what they are asking, find the slope at the free end. So what is the slope here? Formula. Slope formula will be the right theta B, because B side will be the deflection. So slope will be B na, formula will be W L square by 6 EI. This formula we know because we did the derivation, so we know. Now, what is given? Deflections given. Then what is deflections formula we'll write here? W L cube by 8 EI. This is the formula, W L cube by 8 EI. Slope they are asking and deflections given. So now what we'll do here? Deflections, how much they given? 40 mm. 40 mm. Now, what is the slope? W L square by EI. Just I am writing first here EI. Then what will be there here? L by 8 here. So these are same now. W L cube EI 8 EI. Now W L square by EI first we'll find out. What is W L square by EI here? So what will be here? 40 into 8 divided by L. L how much? 3000. L how much? 3000 is equal to nothing but W L square by EI I know. EI know. Now what is there here? 6 EI. So what we'll do here? Both side multiplied 1 by 6. Both side multiplied 1 by 6. This will become W L square by 6 EI. This is nothing but what is? This is nothing but slope. This is nothing but slope. Then respectively this you calculate this. What is this calculations will come? 40 EI. Okay, so this if we'll solve this, the value is coming, already we calculated. This value is coming 0.01777. This value is coming 0.777 radian. So this is the answer for this particular problem. This is the answer for this problem. This is the slope. Now we know the answer for this particular problem. This is the answer for this. Okay. So see this question. Suppose you know the formula. Listen again. You know the formula both deflection and slope. If they will give modulus average, the Young modulus and moment of inertia value will substitute will get. Suppose they not given, only the given deflection. So with respect to this formula, write the deflection formula WL square EI L by 8. It's the same. So this WL square EI is known now. 6 will, that 8 will come here, L length will come here. 1 by 6 multiply both sides. So this is the slope cam, and this way we can get the answer for this particular problem. Okay. Okay, friends. Thank you.